Shavasana is a deep rest, a direct approach to reducing the activity of the body, reducing the activity of the mind. Shavasana completely cuts off the inputs from outside, and the body is able to rest, and the mind is able to rest. It is said that 30 minutes of Shavasana is equivalent to 4 hours of deep sleep. Shavasana is something that looks so simple, yet it produces such profound results, is to allow the body to do its job, is to allow the body to heal itself, to allow the body to achieve a natural balance. The body is very much capable of doing that. We know that when we cut a finger, the body heals, the skin heals very quickly, and it does that because it is very much capable of doing it through millions of years of evolution. In the same way, when we get deep rest, in that resting period, the body undertakes a balancing of the endocrine glands. It sends the healing messages in the body wherever it is most needed. The digestion improves, the nervous system starts to work better, and the commands from the brain starts to happen normally. The cortisol that is in the brain, as they say, the stress hormone, and the adrenaline that is pumping in the blood starts to normalize. And you start feeling more and more calm, more and more steady, more and more relaxed. Shavasana makes you feel more balanced. There are less disruptions in your daily life after you practice Shavasana, which is very good for the hormonal system. The practice of Shavasana in the beginning, during the practices, and also in the end give the body and mind complete rest. It is a switch going off. You're cutting off from all external influences. To practice a longer version of Shavasana, at least 25 to 30 minutes. And on our channel, we have a free to air, free to use video, which you can use every day as part of the yoga routine. You can practice the Shavasana video just before going to bed or early in the morning as soon as you get up. Or if you have time during the day, then you can do that immediately after lunch or any other time that you feel that you can devote 30 minutes.